Pause.
Hey, Jay Payleitner here, author of 30-some books, sold 750,000 copies, a national speaker, and I am coming down for the BMIC annual retreat, men's retreat for 2024 at Lake Springfield Christian Camp, Friday, February 23rd from 6 to 9 p.m. and then again Saturday morning from 8 to 11:30 a.m. And it's going to be more than 100 guys, and I'm going to give you 3 of my best favorite talks. First one answers this question: what is on your bucket list? What's on your bucket list? And we're going to make sure that what's on your bucket list is actually on God's bucket list. What if God wrote your bucket list? And then our second talk will be for guys who are called to lead their family. I've written a bunch of books, books for dads, and then a book for how to be the husband that your wife needs, and even books for grandparents. And then our third talk, Saturday morning, will be on conflict resolution. Are there any conflicts in your life with neighbors or on the job or with your family? We're going to make sure that you don't escalate those conflicts. And as a matter of fact, we'll have a 4-point plan for turning conflicts into victories. I will see you there Friday and Saturday. Looking forward to it. God bless.